Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Kneehill County, Alberta, a scenic region full of rolling prairies, farmland, and small-town charm. Kneehill County's history dates back to the 1800s, when settlers arrived to farm the fertile land and build the rural communities that exist today. The county got its name from Kneehill Creek, which winds through the area and inspired the name of the local municipal district. Over the years, Kneehill County has grown while maintaining its agricultural roots and natural beauty. Visitors can experience the wide open skies, local culture, and the tranquility of rural life. Whether you're here to explore the countryside, learn about the history, or simply enjoy rural Alberta life, Kneehill County has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kneehill County, Alberta. Thanks for watching.